what's going on, everybody? I am going to put the bag lights on my Indian Challenger. I hope, anyway. I want to try to do it before I go to the bike night here in town. So if I can get and figure out the plug situation and install them within, I don't know, an hour, I will do that. So I know I got to take the seat off, I think, but I'm going to open it up and actually read the directions. I think I got to open the seat up, and the plugs and such will be up underneath the seat, I think. So I will do that, meaning opening the box and read the directions. Don't know if this has a part number on it. Anyway. It's for the 2020-2021 Indian Challenger Dark Horse and limited models. So let me see if I can get that seat off real quick, and then this is the plug I got to try to find the spot for. Hopefully it's pretty easy to find. We'll do the directions first. Remove the seat, disconnect the negative battery cable. That's not where you disconnect the negative battery cable. Locate the 6-pin connector going to the rear fender lighting. Unplug and install the IND adapter harness in line with the rear fender lighting. Test fit the low profile SaddleBag lights. The SaddleBag light with the purple wire and the harness will mount to the left side bag. The SaddleBag light with the brown wire will mount to the right saddlebag. The light should mount a couple millimeters below top edge of the lid when the lid is closed. Mark the location with a grease pencil. Clean the area and allow to dry. Remove the adhesive backing and install the lights on the left and right saddlebags. Press into place, making sure the adhesive tape is making contact with the bag. Remove both bags from the bike and both side covers. And then you just got to run the wires. So we'll see how well that works. But I will find the, I don't know if I just read kind of like all of that stuff. And then you have all of these directions here. So this is the running the wires and such. So anyway, I will try to get the side back, well, the seat off. And need to find a spot for. All right, let's see if I can find the harness that goes to the back lights. All right, I'm going to set you up so you can see the underside of the seat to see if we can figure out where to plug this harness into. I think it's this harness because that's running back that way. And no other harness is, so I'm going to just unplug it and see if it actually does fit. See if we can do this without breaking stuff. Alright, so I imagine this will go here, and then this will go here. Yep. Now I want to plug in the lights and make sure that I'll have them in the right side. Because my luck is I'll hook them up and I'll turn on the left turn signal and it'll be the right one that goes off. I'm getting old and all. So, trust but verify type of a deal. See what it says again. I think the purple wire was left and the brown wire was right. The SaddleBag light with the brown wire in it will mount to the right side bag. Okay. So brown is right, purple is left. This should be the right one, and this should be the left one. Ooh, nope, looky there. See, I was gonna mess it up already. Good news is you can just unplug it and flop it around. So the wires in here are the same, or color coded the same. So try to match them and not just do what I did. Purple is left, brown is right. They light up. So that's a bonus. So we'll let the ride command come up. All right, left. Looky there. All right, and then brake, hopefully. Brake, brake. All right, everything's good. So the next thing to do is to mount them to where they need to be. This is kind of the nerve-wracking part, because just stick it where you don't want it once, and then you'll be in trouble. But it has a quick disconnect. So this is the part that goes in the, tell you, loud people. That goes to the harness that you hook up under the seat, and this is the quick disconnect. Hello. That'll go probably before you get into the having to take the seat off, because I don't want to have to take the seat off every time I take my bag off, and you're gonna have to undo this every time you take your bag off. Hopefully I don't have to take my bag off too often. Anyway, all that being said, break the light. There's always that option. So I'm going to actually take it off of the wire going to the back. So that'll be a separate part to all this. You don't want them snug. You want it just to be down some. That way when you close your bag, you're not hitting the turn signal. Alright, I think that'll be it. Clean it real well. I don't have anything to really mark it with, but I think I'll clean it and then install it with the back lid down. I think it'll be alright. I mean, what could go wrong? What could go wrong? I'm just going to clean all this bag, and they give you this. All right, let that dry. And then it comes down to like here and almost to the top of that. So again, I'm going to put it on with the lid down, and that should do it. There's one strip. There's two strips. And make sure your bag's closed all the way too. Then push it on. Yeah, perfecto. Over to the other side. We'll clean it, heat it, and stick it. Sometimes these bags are hard to close. perfect. It's pretty good, I think. I should take the same Allen as the seat. Hey, while I'm doing all this, you should subscribe to my channel. It's free. Just do it. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? I'm gonna try not to take it all the way off because there's stuff here that I would have to undo. Probably not too difficult, but I want to try to do it without it. I'm going to clean it up with some cleaner, then wipe it down with the used alcohol wipes after. Looks like they only have 5 little sticky pads here. Looks like they should have, oh no, there's 6. I mean, you just route the wires the best way that you, or however you feel best about wiring them, but you stick the wires to your bags, right? I'm going to keep this out here somewhere, along, you know, the piece that goes from the harness or the other part of the light, and hopefully can get it to where I can do some mounting here, and then I know I'm going to just do it here. Just stick the bag to it, or the thing to it, take a zip tie. Zip tie it. And then on this other one, I'm just wrapping it, kind of coiling it back up within itself. Figure out how I want to do this. I want to mount this one that goes up into the harness separately from all this other stuff, so I can undo it from here, and then the bag will come off. That's going to be my goal anyway. That is my goal anyway. Let's see here. Stay here. The plugs look water resistant or waterproof. Alrighty. I think that'll be that, and then this side only has this that's heavy, so won't mess with that. Hopefully I have everything and I have to put all that stuff back. Wipe some of the dirt off. So I don't know, I just coil it up twice, and then this side is on that side of the tie down. Well, that wasn't going to work on the other side either. Well, you can't zip tie that thing to the bag because it'll be still zip tied to the bag. Maybe put it there and then just shove all this stuff up underneath there. That's what I want to do. So you got to the bag, to the bag, to the bag, and then it goes to where if you unclip it, you can actually take the bag off. It means I got to redo the other side. All I really have to do is just retie this down here. Okay. Okay. Now both sides should match the picture that I took of the right side bag. And now I'll get you to where you can see under the seat, and I'll go zip tie all that stuff up. Yeah, just zip tie them up, whatever's best for your application. All right, there's that. Alrighty, that is that. Put the seat back on. I'm going to test to make sure the lights work still. Yep, they come on anyway. Then the brake lights. Make sure the brakes work. Here, let's do this. And the brakes. Alrighty, that's good. I can button it up now. Side cover back on. That was really an easy install. That's it. Now I'm just putting tools away. I don't need to record that. So we'll talk at you later. Like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you next video.